Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Or welcome if you're new. Packing for a trip can be so stressful, right? But guess what? I have cracked the code. I figured out how to pack light and still have like a million outfits. If you love switching up your style without breaking the bank, staying on trend while still doing you, and building a closet that actually works, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell because I've got content dropping every week and you don't want to miss it. Let's slay this season, one outfit at a time. Let's go! Okay, first up we have the white linen shirt. It's lightweight, breathable, and so versatile, which is like the holy trinity of vacation clothing. You can wear this as a cover-up to the beach over your swimsuit. Instant chic. You can tie it up over a dress if you want to switch up the vibe, or you can tuck it into some cute pants for dinner. Plus, have you ever noticed how wrinkles in linen just kind of add character? It's like the more lived in it looks, the cooler it is. Trust me on this one, guys. The white linen shirt is a total vacation essential. Next up, we've got a black ribbed tank top. It goes with everything. You can wear it under jackets, tucked into skirts, or even just with some shorts for a super casual daytime look. And the ribbed texture? You can dress it up or down, which is key when you're trying to pack light. It's soft, it's breathable, and it won't feel constricting even after a long day of exploring or lounging by the pool. So yeah, the black ribbed tank top might not seem like the most exciting thing in the world, but believe me, it's a total workhorse. It's the Robin to your Batman, the peanut butter to your jelly, you get the idea. Now, let's inject some personality into this capsule wardrobe with a graphic tee. We want something cool, stylish, and that says I woke up like this. But also I put some effort into my outfit. Key things to remember: soft fabric, neutral tones, and a design that speaks to you. You can throw it on with your denim shorts and sneakers for a casual sightseeing look, or dress it up with your midi skirt and some sandals for dinner. The graphic tee is all about adding that personal touch to your vacation wardrobe. Choose something that makes you feel confident and expresses your unique style. Alright loves, let's talk about the satin slip dress. This one's a little bit fancy, a little bit casual, and a whole lot of chic. For a night out, just add some heels, maybe a cute little bag, and some statement jewelry. Boom, instant glamour. But don't think this dress is only for fancy occasions. Just throw on your trusty white linen shirt over it, tie it at the waist, maybe add some sneakers or sandals, and you've got yourself a perfect daytime look. When choosing your slip dress, I'd go for a neutral color like black, white, or maybe even a muted floral print. That way, it'll go with everything else in your capsule wardrobe. Okay, can we please talk about how important airport outfits are? Comfort is key. Enter the wide leg trouser. These bad boys are comfy, they're chic, and they're perfect for travel. I'm talking like linen blends, flowy fabrics, the kind of pants you can actually breathe in. Plus, they look super elevated, even if you're just wearing them with a basic tank top. You can dress them up for dinner with a nice top and some heels, or keep it casual with a t-shirt and sandals for sightseeing. Trust me, once you go wide leg, you'll never go back. Okay, let's be real. It's not a vacation without denim shorts, right? Like, they're just essential. We want something comfy, stylish, and that you can actually walk around in for hours without feeling like you're being squeezed to death. Think like a relaxed fit, maybe a little bit of distressing, and definitely a high waist. You can dress them up with a cute top and sandals for dinner, or keep it casual with your graphic tee and sneakers for sightseeing. And of course, they're perfect for the beach. Just throw on your swimsuit, your denim shorts, and your trusty white linen shirt, and you are good to go. Now, let's add a little bit of femininity and flow to this capsule wardrobe with a midi skirt. Think like a bold print, a vibrant color, or even just a really interesting texture. You can dress it up with your satin slip top and heels for a night out, or keep it casual with your black ribbed tank top and sandals for daytime. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even layer it over your swimsuit for a fun and unexpected beach look. Okay, let's talk about swimsuits. And more specifically, the one-piece swimsuit. These days, you can find one-pieces in so many different styles, cuts, and prints. And the best part? They're not just for swimming anymore. A good one-piece can totally double as a bodysuit. Look for a style that's secure enough to walk around in, so you don't have to worry about any wardrobe malfunctions. You can rock it with your denim shorts, your midi skirt, or even just your wide leg trousers for a super chic and effortless look. When choosing your one piece, I'd recommend going for either a classic black or a fun print that you love. Alright loves, let's talk about those in-between moments on vacation. That's where the oversized button-up comes in. This is your go-to for all things cozy, breezy, and stylish. You can wear it as a light layer over your outfit during the day, or even sleep in it if you're feeling extra cozy. And if you're feeling a little chilly on the plane, just tie it around your waist, and you've got yourself a makeshift blanket. When choosing your oversized button-up, I'd recommend going for a light and breathable fabric like cotton or linen. Okay, last but not least, we have the lightweight blazer or shacket. This is your secret weapon for taking any outfit from basic to bam, in seconds. It's the perfect way to add a touch of polish, sophistication, and even a little bit of warmth if you need it. You can throw it over your slip dress for a more elevated evening look, or pair it with your graphic tee and denim shorts for a casual, cool vibe. And of course, it's perfect for travel days. Just throw it on over your airport outfit and you'll look instantly put together. When choosing your lightweight blazer, I'd recommend going for a neutral color like black, white, or beige. And that's it for today, loves. I hope this helped take the stress out of packing and got you excited to serve looks on your next getaway. Remember, packing light doesn't have to mean sacrificing style. With just a few key pieces, you can create endless outfit possibilities. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And let's keep the convo going in the comments. Where are you going on vacation this year, and what's one outfit you have to bring with you? I want to hear all of the vacay vibes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay stylish and stay glowing. Bye!